If you want to add a credit card to your Namecheap account, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a minute. This is a quick and simple process, and once your card is added, you'll be able to use it for future renewals, domain purchases, hosting payments, and other Namecheap billing needs. So if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Right, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Account. This opens up your account settings and profile options. From there, select Profile. This is where Namecheap keeps your personal and billing related account details. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find Billing, then click it. Inside the billing section, you should see options related to your payment methods and cards. Scroll down a little more and look for Manage under payment cards. This is the area where you can view existing payment cards or add a new one. Once you're in the payment card section, click Add New Card. A form will appear where you can enter your card details. Start by typing in the name on your card exactly as it appears on the card. Then enter your card number carefully, making sure there are no mistakes. After that, select the expiration month and year from the drop-down options or enter them if prompted. Next, enter the CVV, which is the security code on your card. If Namecheap asks for a card name, type something easy to recognize, especially if you plan to save more than one card in the future. After that, fill in your billing address details if the form requires it. This may include your name, street address, city, state, postal code, and country. Make sure the billing information matches the details linked to your card to avoid any payment issues. Before you finish, review all the information one more time. It's always a good idea to double check your card number, expiration date, and billing address so everything is correct. When you're ready, click Save Changes to add the card to your Namecheap account, and that's it. Your credit card should now be saved in Namecheap and ready to use for future transactions. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.